Sometimes in bushcraft, you got to keep a nice limber neck. This is my chiropractor, Mr. Shields.
Hello.
He's going to perform a technique on my neck. It'll show you what is possible. Oh, nice.
Now, just want to give him a nice... bring it back. Oh, good.
Best chiropractor in Pennsylvania. You want to be careful. Check with your doctor, of course. Make sure that nice and loose. So I'm going to show you what that looks like right now. Don't go too hard. I'm fine. Just be careful out there. This was a joke. That's a great trick.